In the hallowed halls of justice, a battle rages, unseen yet profoundly felt. What happens when the protectors become the perpetrators, and the very laws designed to safeguard us are twisted into instruments of control? Prepare for a gripping legal odyssey. Inspired by the gripping tension of A Few Good Men and the intricate power plays of The Crown, this legal thriller plunges into the shadowy depths of modern London. A courageous barrister confronts a formidable deep state where the very foundations of liberty are under siege. At stake is the precarious balance between national security, individual rights, and the unyielding rule of law. This high-stakes drama unfolds through the lens of the Human Rights Act 1998, HRA, and the European Convention on Human Rights, ECHR, revealing their profound impact. Alex Morgan, barrister, protagonist, a principled yet ambitious advocate, haunted by a family legacy of activism. He stands as the last line of defense against unchecked power. Justice Evelyn Shaw, High Court judge, wise, sharp, and unafraid to challenge governmental overreach. Her judgments carry the weight of constitutional integrity. Sir John Redford, Home Secretary, a formidable figure who believes the ends justify the means in the relentless fight against terror. His resolve is absolute. Maya Khan, public authority whistleblower, risks everything to expose systemic rights violations. Her courage ignites the legal firestorm. Plot device, a clandestine government surveillance program, Project Chimera, is exposed, sending shockwaves through the media. Alex is called to defend Maya, arguing her whistleblowing was justified to protect rights under the HRA and ECHR. Voiceover, like in The Crown, the Human Rights Act 1998 weaves the European Convention on Human Rights into the very fabric of UK law. Its shadow falls over every act of government, every order, every arrest, demanding accountability. Dramatic montage, flashbacks reveal victims of unlawful detention, invasive surveillance, and press intrusion. Each harrowing scene is linked to a fundamental convention right, underscoring the human cost of state overreach. Legal note: Schedule 1 meticulously sets out these rights, including Article 2, Right to Life, Article 3, Prohibition of Torture, Article 8, Right to Privacy, CR, Quila, v. SSHD, 2011, and Article 10, Freedom of Expression, CR, ProLife Alliance, v. BBC, 2003. Courtroom drama, Alex cites our Ola v. Special Adjudicator, 2004, asserting, our courts must take into account the Strasbourg jurisprudence, but are not bound by it. We are not mere automatons. Judge's response, Justice Shaw, with a piercing gaze, retorts, not a rubber stamp, Mr. Morgan. But we must not drift from the spirit of the convention, lest we betray its purpose. Climactic argument, Alex, echoing the intensity of Tom Cruise, urges the court, Section 3 demands that we interpret all legislation, so far as possible, to be compatible with convention rights. Even if that means stretching the words, within reason, to uphold justice. Case reference, this principle was powerfully demonstrated in Ghaidan v. Godin-Mendoza, 2004, where the House of Lords read in protection for same-sex couples into tenancy law, ensuring equality. Plot twist, Justice Shaw, finding the legislation cannot be read compatibly with human rights, issues a declaration of incompatibility. This seismic moment makes headlines, challenging parliamentary sovereignty. Case reference, Bellinger v. Bellinger, 2003, famously highlighted this power, finding marriage law incompatible with Articles 8 and 12 regarding gender recognition. Action montage, police, local councils, and government ministers, all are bound by the HRA. Maya's evidence reveals systemic breaches, exposing a network of public authority failures. Case reference, A.V. Home Secretary, 2004, starkly illustrated this, finding the indefinite detention of foreign nationals incompatible with Article 5, the right to liberty. Pacing, Alex files for judicial review, the tension palpable. Section 7 gives us standing to challenge these abuses in our own courts, he declares, his voice resonating with conviction. Resolution, the court awards Maya a comprehensive remedy, a public apology, substantial compensation, and orders for systemic reform. Justice prevails, at least for now. Political fallout, the government, cornered and compelled, issues a remedial order to amend the incompatible legislation. This demonstrates the intricate, often fraught, link between judicial findings and parliamentary action. Final scene, Justice Shaw explains the doctrine to a throng of eager journalists. The margin of appreciation gives national authorities leeway, but not a blank check. Rights matter, even in times of danger, and must be rigorously defended. Case reference, Handyside v. UK, 1976, established that states have discretion in limiting rights, but must always justify those limits as necessary and proportionate in a democratic society. This isn't just a story, it's a mirror reflecting the delicate balance of power in our society. Dive deeper into the legal battles that shape our freedoms. Share your thoughts on where the line should be drawn between security and liberty. Engage with the Human Rights Act, explore the cases, and join the conversation. Your understanding is the ultimate safeguard against tyranny.